Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm so glad you guys could join me for this one because I'm actually very excited about it. It's been a long while since I've done a Dollarama haul, and it was really important to me that since I did such a big haul, that I show you guys what I got because it's spooky season. Yes, that's right. I already get ready for my spooky season with my pumpkins that I painted, that I love telling people that I painted because it was my first time and I love it, and my fake hand over here and my crystals. You guys, you need to look at this. I got this because look at how beautiful. This is a druzy, a blue lace druzy. How gorgeous is that? And it's absolutely real. Beautiful, right? It's just that time of year. I'm feeling very connected to Mother Nature and just feeling like I'm ready to go out and just stir up some good vibes everywhere, you know? So that leads into this video. Hi, it's been a minute, literally on the timer. So I'm such a loser. Today's video, I'm gonna definitely show you guys what I got for the haul. The first thing I want to show you though is that I ordered the amazing press-on nails, again from JC Nails. I'll put her tag up. You guys know I've mentioned her on this channel before if you've seen my other videos, and I'm absolutely obsessed with her stuff. Like, she is great, and especially because she does custom nail press-ons for you, it makes it even more satisfying. So this is the set that I got. Look at how cute that is. Sorry, I'm chewing gum. I'm gonna spit it out in a bit because I know it's annoying to watch people do that. But look at the detail. Everything is exactly like how I wanted it. I gave her the theme like Kawaii Halloween. That was the theme, and I sent her a couple of reference pics and she did amazing. This would have looked so good with my outfit today because I'm like pink and very dolly like, you know. But I'm gonna put these on in a couple days and then we're gonna party like it's, I don't know, pandemic time because we're not going anywhere. What is going on with me in this video? Anyways, so jumping right into the haul. Okay, focusing. We're gonna get into it, and we're gonna start with the good stuff because as soon as I walk into our Dollarama, the first thing you see is like the kitchen and baking aisle. If you guys want to get a glimpse of what the Dollarama near my house looks like, I have a video of my vlog. It's like my first ever vlog video, and I have some clips of the Dollarama in there. Now, it's nothing special. In Canada here, Dollaramas can get pretty fun if they're big, but the one by my area, it doesn't have the best selection always, and we always seem to miss out on like the really, really good stuff that other Dollaramas get. There's this group on Facebook called Dollarama Finds and Hauls. I'm hooking you up, so, you know, and you can literally just find almost anything, and it turns out that Dollarama sells a lot of their stuff to other companies that then brand it for themselves and then sell it to us at a higher price. So why not do the smart thing and just go to Dollarama? So the first thing, I have been looking for this baby for the longest friggin' time because every time I look up a little mini skillet or anything of that sort, sorry, my mic is very close to me, so if you hear me banging on stuff, I'm so sorry. But so this is a mini cast iron. Funny thing is, when I walked in, there was only one box that was full and one box that was empty. And I'm like, so someone just literally stole a pan and left the box there? Like, girl. So I was grateful to have this because online, these run for like 20 bucks. It's like the size of my head. Or actually, my head is way bigger than this. Not like metaphorically, like literally. So it's very cute and small. I actually can't wait to make little like skillet cookies and like individual meals in this. And also my boyfriend and I are gonna go camping this fall before it gets snowy and stuff. So I can't wait to cook with this. Oh, it's gonna be so cute. So that was my first like great find. I've been looking for it for weeks and months really, and the first time I got it and there was one left, it was meant for me. And sometimes you just know. And another thing which I found was exciting is, you know that lady, what's her name? Rosanna Panzino on YouTube. She does like baking videos, nerdy nummies and stuff like that. So she has a line out that I heard was in Target, but it's now, a lot of the stuff is in Dollarama, which makes it amazing for us because then we get access to it, you know? So what we have here, look at how cute. I wear glasses pretty much all the time. So this is very cute. It's like smart cookie because I am a smart cookie. I like a lot of you are exactly. And I love this. Like it's the perfect little baking spatula. You can never have too many baking spatulas, especially me because I'm a caterer and a cook. So it's like my life. I do it all the time. So for me, these are like collector's items, which just sounds so lame, but anyways. And this is a reusable lint brush that I got from Dollarama, which I also think is really cool because I hate using those Gain roller ones over and over, not only because they're expensive, but not the best for the environment. So I feel like with this, at least I can switch it up. And that is another awesome feature is you can rotate it and fix it because there's a little arrow at the top that tells you which way to brush. So according to your like which way you prefer to brush, you can flip it, which is kind of cool too. I was like, this was $1.25 and it works. Like we used it, it works. So that was also great. This is a little bamboo, like a little mini one. I mean, obviously, like someone told me they're not even like real bamboo, which I don't really care. I just needed a wooden board for my pictures, for food photography, and also if I want to do like little charcuterie boards and stuff, because it's just that time of year. And for me, this is just like one of those things that's just like essential and fun to have on the cheap end if you don't want to spend like 30 bucks on a charcuterie board, you know. This one, I was wary. I always mix up my W's and my V's. I am such a fob that way. Okay, so the next thing that I got that I'm excited about is this like food chopper thing. It's like a handheld food processor that they sell these at Bath and Beyond in the US for like 30 bucks. And I kept trying to look for them here, but they didn't have them. And I'm like, this was $4 at Dollarama. I have not tried it yet, but guys, it actually looks like it would work. Like you pull it, and that's how it does it. So I'm excited for this because I hate cutting onions, and sometimes when you want to make a soup and you just want to chop up vegetables, you don't want to have to think about it. This is like perfect for stuff like that. Oh my god, I can't wait to use this, and I really hope it works and doesn't suck. Like please don't fail me. Okay, like I'm very excited about you, don't fail me. I got garbage bags, like a big Ziploc bags for marinating chicken, because I hate marinating chicken in bowls because then I have to worry about washing the bowl properly and not contaminating everything else in the sink and then having to clean the whole sink, and like we just don't have time for that every single day. So I know, like, you know, so that's why I was like, I'm getting Ziploc bags for like just raw chicken to marinate and just foil and stuff. That's just basics. The next thing is also a basic but kind of cool because I'm an organization freak. Okay, right now, yes, it looks a little chaotic in the back, but honestly, this is my kind of organized chaos that I enjoy because I don't have a bookshelf, so I put my books up. Like it's very like very that. Okay, just deal with it. Anyways, so organization wise, this is a kitchen storage thing. You can hook it up on the inside of your cupboard under your sink and put all your cleaning supplies, which will be great for us because I hate when water drips under the sink sometimes and then it starts staining the wood, and it's so annoying because I don't even know if I'll be able to get off the stain that's there right now. So especially because we rent right now, I want to make sure that we keep things clean, we keep it cute, we keep it moving. Okay, so that's the storage. Next is I got these cake testers, also from Rosanna Panzino's line. Look at how cute! Like seriously, like look, it's cake testers. I hate using toothpicks, honestly, so cake testers, thank you. Thank you, Rosanna Panzino, sorry. She's really great when it comes to that environmental stuff. I appreciate you. And I also got a pastry blender because these also run for more expensive online and stuff, and I just thought, it's a Dollarama, might as well try it. You never know. And I just need it because I have hot hands. So when I want to make like pastry dough, my hands are not my friend, and I need this so I can make more pastry dough often. Then I got some molds. Okay, now we're getting into spooky season, okay? So I got this witch hat mold, which I think is super friggin' cute. Like, look. Like, look, you guys. Look how cute that is. Like, what? So I was thinking I'm gonna make some chocolates with this, and it would be really cute if I did like toppings or a little like drizzle and stuff. And oh my god, like the options are endless. You could do anything. But I'm gonna make some chocolates with these for Halloween. I also got a silicone mold, which I'm nervous to put in the oven, even though it says it can withstand temperatures of up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. It still makes me nervous. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But this mold is also super cute because you get like the mummy, the scary cat, even though I love cats, they're not scary, but the scaredy cat, the pumpkins, and then of course the mummy again off top. And I think this will be really cute to do like cakes and then use icing to do the designs of each like monster or like Halloween character or pumpkin, whatever you want to like decorate. And I think that'd be really cute. I also got these super cute mini fall themed muffin liners. Look how cute. Because I recently got a mini muffin pan as well from Dollarama like a while back. And I haven't used it yet for anything. And I was like, when I make, this will be my motivation to make something cute for fall. Like maybe little fruit tarts or little cheesecake bites or brownie bites. I'm thinking maybe like little pumpkin cheesecake muffins or something. I think that'd be really cute. Also got these cupcake liners. They're just very Dia de los Muertes, so I appreciated it. And also the cute little ghosts and bats and stuff. And it also comes with little pics for the cupcakes with ghosts with a hat. Oh, it's like a little Salem witch ghost. So cute. And then a skull. And I just thought that was adorable, especially because I love doing food photography and it's been a long while since I've done proper food photography, like with my light box that I made myself and stuff like that. My light box broke and I haven't been able to do it. If you guys want to check out actually my food photography, I'll put it up here. Check a girl out, because I'm like amateur, but also not bad, I think, for what I am, you know? And you guys will see, and tell me if you believe me when I say that I made that light box, like that white background and stuff. I made that little box, okay? Like, I was proud of myself for doing that. So I can't wait to make it again now that it's been destroyed for a while. And next, microfiber cloth. That's just basic and necessary. Also more like terry cloths, because there was actually no paper towel, which in a way prompted me to think like maybe that's a good thing, because sometimes we use too much paper towel. And I got these, but then my boyfriend ended up buying paper towel, and I'm like, bro, like we're trying to save the planet a little bit at a time, even though it's not us ruining the planet, it's the corporations. But still, it matters. It matters. It's the principle, right? So we're still gonna get use out of those. Then I got some glue sticks and a gun because I'm doing more crafting and arts and stuff, and it's really good to have, especially if you do that kind of stuff and like doing your own DIYs. The sad thing is, I made this birdhouse. Hold up a sec. It's very psychedelic and matches my outfit. I don't even like pink that much, you guys. It just like all happened at once. I just think it's a very bright and good background. And I did my makeup today with pink, so I just went with the makeup inspiration and dressed accordingly. So anyways, this is a psychedelic birdhouse that I made. Like, how cute is that, right? It's the first time I ever tried something like this, and I think I love how it turned out. I just went with my with my love for color, and I just love it. I just freehanded this stuff. And of course I drew the design with pencil, like the flower especially. And then I went over it with paint, which was annoying, but I did it. Everything was outlined with pencil first, and then I did the paint over. And anyways, so I did this birdhouse, and I made a little clay bird for this. Yeah, that's how extra I went. I made a little clay bird that I could glue here, so it was just like chilling, hanging out on like a clay piece of wood or whatever. And I left it on top of my shelf the other day. It was just here this morning. And I think my cat ate it. Or she like flung it off and played with it, and now it's hidden with my other stuff that she has hidden. And I'm sad. Like, I'm actually sad because it was my first ever clay bird, and I really wanted to put it on this thing. And I know I can make another one. My boyfriend's like, you can make a better one. You're gonna make a better one now. It's okay. And he's right. But like, you know, sometimes you just make something for the first time and it turns out how you like didn't even think you could ever do. And I wanted that keepsake, you know? Like, this was my first solo birdhouse, so I wanted my first solo clay bird to go on it. It was like sentimental. But it's okay. Memories can be made in other ways, right? So, what else I got? Oh, right. So I got this because if you guys know Emma's Goodies on YouTube, she does these cute little mug cakes and stuff that you can make for yourself within like 5 minutes at home if you have a craving. And I always see her use these big like cappuccino mugs that I don't have, never seen, like never even looked for before, bothered, nothing. So I went to Dollarama so I could try and find one just so I could make her mug cake stuff or just use it for soup. But I found one. They had different colors, like white and a gray one, I think, and a darker blue. It was $3, but I think for $3 it's pretty great. And it's big. And it's perfect for that mug cake she's always making. And I'm like, I can't wait to make it. A recycling bin. We already have a little bin that we would put stuff in, but it's not big enough for the amount of recycling sometimes that we go through. Simply because my boyfriend loves to drink pop. Like, he is a pop fiend. And he goes through so much pop, and I tell him, like, you are, like, terrible. The amount of plastic you, like, have just because you have the pop you consume. Like, everything. But either way, the point is, this is why we need it, which kind of makes me angry because it's like, it's defeating the purpose in a bit, because it's like, we shouldn't have this much plastic in the first place. But you guys, one thing at a time, okay? Like I said, it's the corporations fudging us over, okay? It's not us as individuals, and there's only so much we can do, and I'm trying. Little by little, we'll get there, and eventually, somehow, maybe I will save up for, like, our literal soda pop fountain machine for at home, so he can just have his pop directly into his glass instead of from frigging plastic and cans, okay? Alright, you guys can keep watching my videos and keep liking and commenting so I can get that coint, okay? Because I'm not gonna get any coint from here until I have like 1,000 subscribers. So once we reach that milestone, I can help the world, okay? Help me help the world. But drama aside, you guys, a little bit more. Look at this thing. It's creepy and awesome. Like, it's sexy. Like, is that weird for me to say? I think it's sexy. I love scary stuff. And I got this tea light as well. It changes colors, as you guys can see. It's so peaceful. I love having this on in the background with the lights off, with my little twinkly lights that you can't really see fully right now, but I got them twinkly lights too. See, in the background. It's a vibe, okay? And this was also from Dollarama, and the tea lights. The tea lights, they're like LED, because you can't put anything but LED in this. It like comes out. And this was like $1.25 for like 2 of the tea lights. And this was like $3, I think. It's pretty great. I was actually hoping to find the palmistry hands that everybody was putting up, because they're like $25 at Winners, but like $3 at Dollarama. So I was like, I want one, but couldn't find it. This will do. And I'll show you guys a glimpse of my painted pumpkins just for spooky season's sake. Isn't that fun? I used acrylic paint for the base, the white, and the drips I used acrylic pens because I knew I wouldn't be able to get the sharper, like smooth, cleaner lines with my brush because I'm not an avid of a painter like that yet. Even though the birdhouse, everything was acrylic paint. Like, I did not use pens for that. I decided to get pens after. But it's easier when you have lines. Like, I'm sure I could have done it if I stayed within the lines, but I really love that shiny look of the acrylic pens. Like, it adds a little element that I love, and these will rot because they're real. I wish I had fake ones and it could last forever, but I'll do that next spooky season. This was a trial run, and I think I did so, like, good. It was fun. It's like a splat. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys, for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for watching this haul. I really have been missing you guys, and I gained a couple new subscribers. Hopefully I don't lose them. Sometimes when I upload a new video, I lose a couple subscribers, and I'm like, did you like forget you liked me? But I love each and every one of you that actually take the time to watch my videos. Not because I know you personally. I wish I did, because you support me in the little way that you can, right? And I just want to say, like, thank you. Like, I'm grateful to be able to even have a couple people who watch. Even if I had just 1 or 2 people watching my videos every week, I feel like I would feel pretty nice about it. Like, thank you. And we should just always try to show gratitude no matter what it is, right? Every day, something that you're grateful for. It will help you in big ways. And I actually did a podcast episode about this too the other day, and I will post it down below. You guys can check it out. It's tracking really well. I've been getting more listens on it than I ever have on any other episode, like in terms of the time frame of me posting it. So you guys should check it out. And with that said, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys love the haul. Comment down below, what did you guys like the most? Is there something at Dollarama that you like or would really want to get? Or if you're in a different country than Canada, do you guys have like your version of the dollar store? What do you guys get there? And let me know. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one.